Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and from time to time I like to talk about those wallpaper images or background images that I used in my theme for Windows 10. I get a lot of requests of people wanting to know where these pictures coming from. I always use the themes packages that are available through the Microsoft Store. So this one that I have right now, which has some very beautiful pictures, is of course another one that I took from the Microsoft Store. It is absolutely beautiful, as you could see here with all the different pictures. So what is it and where do you get it, or how do you get it? If you want to actually see what it is, simply go to your settings app. In the settings, go into personalization. In here, themes on the left side, you'll see something that's going to say get more themes in the Microsoft Store. Click there. It's going to open the Microsoft Store into the Windows themes page. The one that I'm using right now is called Water Retreat, and of course totally free. You simply click the download or install button, and once it's installed you want to click the apply button. To apply, you have to go back to your settings. In here, you will go and double-click the one that you just downloaded. So Water Retreat is the one for me. You click here. This applies that update to you. The only other changes that I do once I choose that new wallpaper package is go into colors. Make sure that I have automatically pick an accent color from my background, so that my taskbar, my menus, start menu, and so on all follow a specific set of colors depending on the background color that you have. And also, one of the things that I change is in background, I change picture every minute to every 30 minutes in my case. I find that every minute is too much, and sometimes it actually stutters the computer, especially if you're a gamer. That 1 minute background change might actually create weirdnesses in your gameplay, because even when you actually play a game, the background still continues to shift around. So just these are a few things that I change to have this background. So this is what I am actually using. Water Retreat is the one that's installed on my PC right now. Beautiful once again. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.